What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Mark here. Let's talk Dogecoin news today. Okay, we're going to get into some analysts and what they're talking about because right now with Dogecoin, we are eyeing a potential 45% gain up. Okay, there's a lot of metrics that support this. Also, a lot of whale activity that we're going to go into, as well as why Dogecoin is ready for a big move. I'm going to share with you guys these articles, and it's going to be one where you're going to want to make sure you stick around to the end because it's going to be quite a bit of information. We do talk Dogecoin every single day, so if you are new to the channel, this is a perfect time to do so. Please subscribe right down below, and let's get into it. Okay, so right now we're looking at Dogecoin. Are we ready for a big move? Now, this expert is predicting a 91% surge, getting back up to those local highs, 21 cents. Now, will this happen soon? We're going to get into that, and I'll share with you guys my thoughts towards the end of this video. Okay, but first, let's take a dive into the chart. We can see what Doge is doing right now. Trading hands at 10 cents 762. This is one where we've been basically consolidating dating back to August 5th if we look at the daily chart. And that's okay, right? I'm in it for Dogecoin for the long haul. You can see right here, if we look down into the chart, you can see this has basically been still up since we started February of 2024. Yes, I know it's not the 22 cents, 23 cents that we were pushing, but we have fallen off since then. But there's a lot of optimism surrounding Doge, and that's what we're going to talk about. And for those of you wondering, this is my leverage trading platform. So when I do trade crypto on leverage, I use Margex. You can trade up to 100x leverage. If you guys are interested in trading on leverage, make sure you use my link down below. Sign up today where you can register and claim up to, like I said, up to 100x leverage. And there is a $10,000 bonus that you could claim up to that, depending on how much you guys transact. Also, something with Margex is the copy trading feature, okay? Now, within copy trading, all you have to do is look at the leaderboard, and you can copy each and every move that these traders are making. And you can see right here at the top, this trader is making 1,962% ROE with 243 plus followers. So very interesting for a lot of people that have been getting feedback that trade Bitcoin. It does work, okay? But that's what we have going on. In terms of the chart, I'm not too worried about this consolidation that we've seen. Just simply because there's nothing really going on. We don't have a catalyst one way or another supporting Dogecoin moving up or down. So we are still up from dating back, about 4 months in time. And this is where we look into kind of the future of Dogecoin. This movement that we are talking about that I'm going to get into within these articles is going to be very important. So let's get into it. Let's talk about it. And like I said, if you want to sign up with Margex, links down below, okay? But eyeing 45% gain. Now, why we're talking about this? Well, the RSI has supported the trend line and surpassed that. And whale activity alongside of that has broken out. Now, what we've seen is the potential for a breakout due to these two correlating metrics, right? Whale activity's up in the RSI. That is something where we've seen the trend line within the whale activity surpassing that. That indicates a very strong market outlook. Now, if this does happen, we could see Dogecoin breaking that resistance at 16 cents. So that's pretty bullish, but I'm going to get into an article here in a little bit where we talk about a little bit more of a bullish sentiment, okay? It's nothing crazy. It's not dramatic. Like I said, and I tell you guys in every one of my videos, 13 to 16 cents. That's where Dogecoin should be trading at right now. So as long as we're hovering around a dime, obviously it's just my insights, my opinion. It's not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence. But this is something where we look and kind of confirm that the sellers remain dominant at this price level. Okay, Bitcoin surging, Ethereum surging, but Dogecoin is staying flat at 10 cents. And that's kind of what we're looking at. Okay, as we get into more selling pressure at these resistance levels, that's going to be the big hurdle, okay? But if we can break through this, and these two metrics do kind of support that narrative, right? Crossing over that trend line with the RSI and the whale activity, those are two things coupled within in each other are really going to support the cause for Dogecoin to break out. Now, the biggest thing we want to talk about is, can we get back up to 21 cents, okay? Well, this is coming out from another crypto analyst suggesting that Dogecoin can reach 21 cents if we do break that 16 cents resistance. And here in this piece, they talk about the more local 11 cents resistance that needs to be tested and broken through to ignite a new rally. Now, I can see that, but it's something where Dogecoin's going to have to break through that off the heels of Bitcoin. They're not doing anything in themselves. We talk about the payment integration within the platform X, formerly Twitter. And that's basically the only thing we have going for us right now in terms of Elon Musk and Dogecoin. I don't really want to kind of bank on that, but when it does happen, I do think that we will get a strong buy the rumor, sell the news event. If we can sustain that, though, that would be very, very bullish for Dogecoin long term. And you have to kind of understand something. We are now pushing Bitcoin all-time highs. Okay, we're far off, but we're not that far. And Dogecoin back in February, when we did hit 22 cents, that was a different sentiment. So kind of what the issue is for me as a trader is seeing Dogecoin at these levels, despite all the market outlook and optimism. But still, it is a meme coin, and within meme coins, there's a lot of volatility and there's a lot of uneasiness because right now in the market, a lot of people are still thinking that Dogecoin and all the other altcoins, meme coins, are going to be more subject to regulation and kind of the uncertainty we have coming with the presidential election. So that's what we have going on. Dogecoin's chance for a big rally. This is coming out from Captain Fabic. And a successful breakout could send it to 20 cents. Okay, so that's kind of echoing my commentary as Dogecoin is on the verge of another big move. Breaking through that RSI, that's going to basically confirm that. We talked about that a little bit earlier. One of the two conditions needed have already been achieved. Now we need Dogecoin to get past the 11 cents resistance. The other analysts outside of Ali, as well as Captain Fabic, they talked about Dogecoin, like I said, 16 cents resistance, and that's kind of where we're at, okay? But as the price stands right now, we are still below the ever so important 200-day exponential moving average. That's 11.7 on the charts, and that's where we need to break through 11 cents, reduce the selling pressure, and Dogecoin can tackle 11 cents and then 16 cents, and then we can eye that next leg up where we can return to a 21, 22 cents Dogecoin, which, guys, that's a 91% surge from here. So that's what we have going on. Appreciate you guys watching. If you're new to the channel, make sure you guys all subscribe right down below. As always, we'll be here every single day talking Dogecoin and all of your favorite cryptos. Appreciate you guys watching. We'll see you in the next video. Cheers.